Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I thought we would do a little something, let's just say, some different stuff from what we usually do from our drawing channel. So today, instead of saying, today we're going to draw this, I thought today we would do a very easy origami snowflake. So, let's get in and get started. So today, for our drawing, we're gonna need one more thing. And that one more thing is scissors. And let's get it. Luckily I have a pair on me. Put to the side. And so for any origami, we have to first make a square out of it. So, to make the square, take the two corners of your paper and fold the top corner down till it is flush against there and to the point where the two corners at the top connect. And then, once you're happy where everything is, you crease it. So take it, and you basically go zoom! I just realized you don't really want to crease in your paper, so kind of try to uncrease it. But now, to get our square, the perfect square, with this, I'm going to cut on the edge. But I'm not very happy with my edge, so I kind of want it to be over more. So I'm going to pause it, get it how I want it, and by the time the video will be unpaused, it'll be cut. Okay, so we cut the bottom off. So now we have this perfect square of paper that we can work with. So step one, to make an origami snowflake. Fold it in half diagonally. Okay, sorry, you kind of do want the crease. So take the crease you had earlier and fold. Then I'm going to fold that in half to make a smaller tree. Divide it into 3 equal sections. So you come down. Let's take our pencil and let's try to divide it into 3 equal sections. So maybe this is probably the hardest part. But if you have a protractor, you'll get one. You want them to be about equally 30 degrees. And once you have that, mark it. Because now we are going to fold the left section. A little too much there. The camera angle, that might be very good, but I'm doing my best. You want to fold the right section So, take our scissors again, and we're going to cut along the line that we have here. So, snip, snip, snip. And then, so take your pencil, your little triangle, and make little miscellaneous shapes. And later, once you're happy with them, we're gonna cut them, and we're gonna have a really beautiful snowflake. So I'm gonna pause the video, and once we come back, I'm gonna show you what it looks like with all the shapes, and I'll show you what it looks like folded up with the cutouts in it. Okay, so now we have it with all these random shapes. Now we're gonna cut this out. I'll show you what it looks like all with the holes, and then I'm gonna unfold it and see what you have and I have created. Alright, so we just finished, and right now, honestly, it doesn't look very good. But when we unfold it, unfold yours with me, it starts to unfold to a masterpiece that every member of your family can and will be forced to enjoy. Mine looks kind of holy, but don't get me wrong, it took a lot of effort and trial and error and a lot of work. So, if you like making these, they're really easy to make. If you Google Origami Snowflake, it has the directions online. If you want to go there, if you want to try it again, if you want to watch the video again, go ahead. But it's a really nice holiday piece that every member of your family can enjoy. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And hopefully I'll clean this trash up by then.